And if you were in those areas when the hail hit, you know it was nothing to mess with. KDKA's Mokay joins us live now in Fayette County to give us a look at what people there and surrounding counties experienced. Erica.
Hey, Erica. Yeah, we spoke to one woman who says she was in a panic. She was working here inside Beck's Pizza, 51 in Perryopolis, when she described what sounded like shattering glass. What she was actually hearing was hail hitting the building and cars nearby.
We had a golf ball size, pretty much take the windshield.
Passing through Perryopolis, this driver starts recording as his car is pelted with relentless hail.
Good Lord.
Next door to where that video was shot, Julianne Basinger says she was telling everyone to take cover.
And I immediately called my husband and my dad, and I said, get the babies downstairs. I don't know what's going on. I've never seen anything like it.
The flash of pounding hail didn't last long, but it was long enough to dent Basinger's car. And these two. The person who shot this video says circular welts now dot just about every car parked in this lot near Cal U.
It was like glass was breaking. It was like people were throwing, big boulders at the windows. And the gust of wind was just crazy.
That wind strong enough to produce this crazy image. A trampoline sent airborne in Perry Township, landing on power lines, making them look like a clothesline running through the middle of town.
This is all hail. It looks like it snowed.
People who experienced it say the balls of ice were like golf balls, some measuring up to 2 inches.
It was insane.
Of course, that hail is long gone now, but the damage to those cars and even some homes remains. Basinger says she'll be making a phone call to her insurance company in the morning, and based on that video we just showed you, she likely won't be the only one. Reporting live tonight in Perryopolis, Erica Mokay, KDKA News.